So shining is the college, brilliant had its students. St. Joseph College, Layibi forever. The home of the people, the future of Uganda. Long live Layibi forever. God bless the founders and all after them, the most able leaders. Keep them so strong in the path. Oh glory then, oh glory then. In harvest time, success is the crown of the labor. And LACOBA has done it again. Layibi College Whole Boys Association have embarked on a project which has already been implemented, that is redesigning the face of Layibi College. That is the gate. Main gate construction is ongoing, and then all the contributions are from LACOBA. The new design is a very nice one, and this is the plan work. This is from the inside part when you're exiting the gate. It is called SJCL main gate, and it should look like this after its completion. And you know, the design features some sky blue and white painting written up on it, that St. Joseph College Layibi, and the flag, I mean to say the logo for the schools, they call it the badge of Layibi College is there, with the motto, you know, Melias Atque Utilias. That's all of us, meaning children, teachers, and the community are here to strive to make a big difference. In summary, so this is one of the developments that has taken place in Layibi College, or is taking place in Layibi College. One of the Olympic world-class swimming pool is already at the college. Yeah, you can see that Layibi College, with the support from the old boys, is one of the traditional schools which has stood the test of time despite challenges and other things. It has made Layibi College to stay on top, and there's no doubt Layibi College is one of the top Hall of Fame in the country. And then, as I say, and also conclude, Melias Atque Utilas.